In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper Independence Day special peacock. So this is a very easy way of making a peacock. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a flag. So I already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper flag and you guys can go through it. So now I'm folding the paper little by little on both the sides, like this. So we have to do it slowly. So after I'm done with that, I'm taking an orange sheet of paper and I'm folding it in half. Now I'm taking a pencil and I'm drawing a peacock. So you have to draw it slowly. So after I'm done drawing it, I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting this out. So cut it out slowly and be careful while using a scissor because you might cut your hand. So next step is that I'm taking a green sheet of paper and I'm drawing 3 slanting lines, zigzag lines, like this, and I'm cutting it out. So I'm cutting it. Now I've completed. Now I'm opening the peacock and I'm sticking this part on top of it. So I'm applying some glue on the top and I'm sticking it like this. So now the top part is ready. I'm opening the peacock on the back side and I'm gluing it and I'm sticking it on the back too. Like this. Next step is that I'm taking a pencil and I'm drawing 2 eyes on both sides of the paper. So 1 eye on each side, like this. Now I'm taking the first part that we did and I'm sticking the peacock onto it. So applying some glue on the center part and I'm sticking this to it. So now I'm holding it together and I'm taking some tape and I'm sticking the bottom part together like this. Now our paper Independence Day special peacock is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!